In this myPlant monitoring and reporting training, you will learn how to use the centralized fleet overview, interpret and use the engine dashboard, and quickly access engine-related documents. Real-time engine monitoring with myPlant provides you with a centralized fleet view, access to historical and live data, and fast access to all information. Your fleet overview. Let's start by taking a look at what fleet display parameters are available. When you access myPlant.io, the fleet overview is the first screen you will see. The fleet overview displays the status, customer, site, engine ID, and other key data of each asset. Under status, you can see the current operational state of each engine. These statuses are running, available, tripped, offline, blocked, never connected, and decommissioned. Clicking the three dots in the top right corner enables you to personalize the fleet overview. Next, we will take a look at how to add favorite assets and create filters. The Favorites column is on the right side of the screen. Simply click on a star to add an engine, and click again to remove it. A list of your favorite engines can be viewed in the Favorites tab. You can also create filters with the following advantages: easy grouping of engines, save several filters with different views, and create shared filters visible to other users. Filters can also be edited, copied, or deleted. Next, we will take a look at the functionality of the fleet map. You can click on Fleet Map to visualize all your sites based on their location. On the map, the engine status is represented with a color legend. This allows you to select or deselect the engines displayed based on their status. Next, we will take a look at how to use the fleet search function. Use the top search box from any myPlant page to look for any engine. You can search by serial number, design number, or site name. Additionally, you can click on any engine in the assets list to access the engine's detailed data. Next, we will take a look at your engine dashboard and where the key current data is located. On the engine level, you can find engine status, example, running, available, blocked, tripped, offline. Along with current key data, the current values for the power being generated, and the engine's operating hours. Next, we will take a look at how to set up notifications. The bell icon represents your settings for engine notifications, which you can receive by email and SMS. In order to receive SMS notifications, access your profile via My Account and enter your phone number. Next, we will take a look at an overview of the engine dashboard cockpit. The cockpit provides a holistic view of your engine's health, displaying the current state of 5 key parameters: operational status, component reliability, the status of your oil and coolant, emissions, and your connectivity to myPlant. For the final section of your engine dashboard, we'll take a look at the possible engine key performance indicators and graphs. Scrolling down the dashboard, you can find a list of key performance indicators for the operation of your engine, such as engine utilization, start success rate, and the amount of planned outages over a select time period. Click on the data name above the interchangeable charts to change the value. Opening the Diagnostic Workbench, our advanced charting tool, provides more in-depth analyses. If you are an INNIO Direct customer with a specific CSA account, you have access to all your latest support cases. At the bottom of the dashboard screen is your engine's documentation. Reporting. We will now take a look at other documentation available in myPlant. So what other documentation can you find in myPlant? The parts catalog can be accessed from the Maintenance and Parts drop-down menu on the left. Here you can search for all the parts of your engine. Additional Jenbacher documentation can be accessed from the Knowledge Management drop-down menu. These include technical instructions, maintenance instructions, and field service manuals. To finish off this training, we will take a brief look at how to configure and generate reports. To configure and create reports, click the Fleet drop-down menu, then select Reports, followed by Operational at the top of the screen. Select the tab of report to be generated, e.g. Fleet Values Report, that compares values of data across the fleet. Click Configure to open up the report options and select the desired data items. Select the date range, click Apply followed by Reload to generate the report. Finally, click Open to view or export the results. And you're done. Be a part of the digital revolution and give your industrial assets a digital life.